In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your audience in Klaviyo, focusing specifically on how to delete profiles you no longer need. Now, when working with any audience management tool, keeping your data clean and organized is crucial. This not only helps in maintaining efficiency, but also ensures that your marketing efforts are targeted and effective. Let's jump right in and make your Klaviyo interface cleaner and more streamlined. First, we need to access Klaviyo, so open your preferred web browser and go to the Klaviyo website. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so using your credentials. Once you've reached the home page, you'll be presented with a dashboard overview. This is your central hub for all things related to your email marketing campaigns, and it's where you'll manage your audience as well. Next, we need to move to the Audience section. Look at the menu on the left-hand side of your Klaviyo dashboard. Here you'll find several options, but the one you're interested in is labeled Audience. Click on this section to expand your options. You'll see Profiles listed there. Click on it. This will bring up a comprehensive list of all your audience profiles. These profiles might include various segments or groups you've created over time, and this is where we can make the necessary changes. Now that you're in the Profiles section, you'll see all the individual profiles you have stored in Klaviyo. Now, if your intention is to delete certain profiles, it's time to take a closer look. Carefully scroll through and tick the checkbox next to each profile that you want to delete. This tick marks them for removal. It's important to be certain about which profiles you're selecting for deletion, as this action cannot be undone. Once a profile is deleted, it's permanently removed from your audience list. After you've selected the profiles you wish to remove, look towards the bottom of the screen. There you will notice an option that says Delete. Clicking on this will prompt a confirmation dialog box. This box serves as your last chance to review your choices. If you're sure about proceeding, confirm the deletion. And just like that, you're done. The profiles you selected have been successfully removed from your audience list. Remember, keeping your audience data up to date and relevant not only is good practice, but also makes your campaigns more efficient and effective. Thank you for watching this guide on how to delete audience profiles in Klaviyo. We hope it helps you maintain a tidy and effective marketing environment. For more tips and tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe and check out our other videos.